High blood pressure affects millions, but nature may offer a powerful solution. Beet juice contains natural nitrates that transform into beneficial nitric oxide in our bodies. This natural compound helps blood vessels relax and dilate, improving circulation. Research shows 250 milliliters daily can make a significant difference. Effects begin within 30 minutes and can last several hours. Benefits extend to exercise performance and cognitive function. Store fresh beet juice properly in the refrigerator for best results. Always consult healthcare providers before starting any new health regimen. Discover more about natural health solutions by clicking below.